We're stepping out of the stadium and into your PC for a quick tech timeout, because knowing exactly which version of Windows 11 you're running can be just as important as knowing who's on the field. Here's the play. You're about to install a new app, a fresh driver, or you're trying to troubleshoot a glitch. Before you do anything, you want to know your Windows 11 version. So, first move, hit that Start button on your taskbar. You can click the little gear icon if you see it, or just start typing Settings and open it up. Want the no-huddle offense? Press the Windows key and the letter I together, bang, you're in Settings. Now, on the left side, make sure System is selected. That's your team's playbook for all the important system info. On the right, scroll all the way down until you see About, and click it. This About page is your scouting report. Look for Windows specifications. You'll see Edition first, maybe Windows 11 Home, maybe Pro. Right under that, you get version and OS build, the exact numbers coaches, tech support, love to see. Need a 2-minute drill? Press Windows key plus R, type WinVer, hit Enter, and a small window pops up with your edition and version, just like that. Know your version, control the game.